You ate my cereal, bro?
Huh?
Why did you eat my cereal?
Bro, what you gonna do then? What you...
Oh. Come on, bro. Chill, bro.
Oh my god, he's getting his ass beat.
Huh? Bro, nigga, bro, what you about to do,
What you
bro?
mean, bro?
Oh,
What
God,
you
bro.
talking- Come on, bro.
No, wait. Oh, fuck. Hey, stop. Hey, call the police.
Yeah, but wait.
Oh, God.
Yeah,
bro.
but
Stop playing with me.
But that nigga weak here, but get it out. Live to fight another day. Hey, y'all done for YouTube.
Dang, bro.
Huh? Hey, I pop a perk, it give me more stamina. I hit that net like an animal. Ooh. She ate that dick like a snack. Animals, go get some racks, what you better do. LeBron on your head for a band or two. Come here, I know he'll handle me. Little nigga, I cancel you. You will get left like a vest.
Hey, boy.
we just came back with another
Banger. Oh, wait, let's try to do that again.
We just came back with another video. Back at it again with Gasm Gang.
Yes, sir.
2 parts of Gasm Gang.
Yeah, it's only us two, solo gasm, dab gasm. But look, bro, today, bro, I'm be on monkey, I'm be on monkey with the females. Wait, no, I'm putting on both. I'm putting on both because I want both reactions.
Yeah.
And then, we just gonna be on monkey, I'm be chopping it up. Then you just gonna come out of nowhere and be like, hey, bro, you ate my Cheetos, bro?
My Cheerios.
Cheerios, my bad, boy. Come in there, boy, you just going, lean. And we got to see that. Oh, I like that. Lean and dab. Lean and dab. But look, though, we about to get these reactions and we about to, get right back to y'all with another
banger
on Gang.
Okay.
Yurt. What's up? That's your type. Yes, your type.
You know who he looks like?
Oh, yeah. Add some time. Well, where y'all from?
You ate my cereal, bro?
Huh?
Why did you eat my cereal?
Bro, what you gonna do then? What you...
Come on, bro. Chill, bro.
Oh my god, he's getting his ass beat. Oh my god.
You good?
No,
Are you
bro.
okay?
Bro, I didn't eat your Cheetos, bro.
Bro, shut up, bro. You better not tell mom.
What's up? Yurt? What's up? Where y'all at?
What?
Y'all outside?
Yeah.
Dang, the sky is so beautiful. Add time, though. Add time. What state y'all live in?
New Mexico?
What?
Bro, you ate my Cheerios, bro.
Huh?
You eat my Cheerios.
Nah, bro. On God, bro.
On God, you eat
Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Bro, move, bro. Bro, I didn't eat your Cheetos.
You better not tell your mom either, bro.
Oh, God, bro. I'm gonna get off this app, bro. Dang, they ain't give no type of
They get no
reaction.
reaction.
And they was just like, oh, okay. He got beat up. Yo, what's
Yo,
up?
I'll fuck with your hair, bro.
Thank you, bro.
It's fucking dope.
Hey,
Fuck with your
hey.
hair, bro.
Add some time, bro.
Fuck with your hair, bro.
Thank you, bro. Oh, God.
Yo, bro, you ate my Cheerios, bro.
Huh? Bro, nigga, bro, what you about to do,
What you
bro?
mean, bro?
Oh,
What
God,
you
bro.
talking-
Come on, bro.
No, wait. Oh, fuck. Hey, stop. Hey, call the police. Oh my god. Hey, I want to report this shit. You're violence.
Bro. Bro, I didn't eat your Cheetos, bro. Dang, he really reported it?
Huh?
He just reported us. Smoke on this bitch.
I kick you out the chair.
Yo.
Boy, you ugly as hell.
Dang, bro, why you ain't gotta do me like that, bro? Hey, bro, add some time, though. Add some time. Where y'all from?
That's some time, yeah. What's up, dude? What's up?
Where y'all
Bro,
from?
You ate my Cheerios, bro.
Huh?
You ate my Cheerios.
Bro, I did not even eat your
Bro, what you
Cheerios.
talking about,
Bro, come on, bro. Chill, bro. You can beat him, bro. Come on, bro.
They beefing on monkey.
Bro, shut your lame ass up, pussy. I'll beat you up, too.
Bro, I didn't even eat your Cheerios,
Shut your
bro.
lame.
Y'all making a YouTube video or something? That shit
Dang.
pretty funny.
You caught us. Yo, what's up?
Hello. I like
Hey,
your hair.
thank you. Add some time.
Gotcha.
Where you from?
I'm from Philadelphia.
Bro, you ate my
Whoa.
Cheerios, bro.
Bruh, I did not even eat
What
your
you eat my Cheerios, bro?
Oh, bro, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
That's fun too.
Bro, I didn't even eat your Cheerios, bro. You keep playing, bro.
You're not your mama either.
Dang, you know you could have gave a better reaction. You know you could have screamed a little bit.
I feel like something.
she didn't even scream or nothing. She was just sitting there just watching,
Yeah,
just like,
beat him up.
You should have tried a little harder.
dang.
But I'll give to you, like.
Thank you. Yo, where you from, bro?
Bro, you ate my Cheerios, bro.
Huh?
You ate my Cheerios.
Bro, I ain't even eat your
What you talking about? You want
Cheerios.
Cheerios?
Man, bro, come on, bro. 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 Bro, oh God, bro, you just be playing too much, bro. I didn't even eat your Cheerios.
Better not tell mom either. I want you, bro.
Man, y'all niggas are not giving good reactions. Like,
What you doing?
this nigga just sat there.
You watched it?
Yes.
We only got 2 good ones. Good.
Hey,
How you doing?
good, how are you?
Wait, add some time. Where you from?
Hey, bro, you ate my Cheetos, bro?
Huh?
You ate my Cheetos, bro?
What's it? Yeah, but wait.
Oh God,
Yeah,
bro,
but
stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, bro. God. Stop playing with me, bro.
bro.
Oh God, bro.
But they get weak in here. But get up. You live to fight another day. Hey, y'all done go off YouTube.
Bro.
Hey, bro. You ate my Cheetos, bro?
Bro, what you talking about?
Hey, bro, you ate my Cheetos,
Wait,
bro?
yeah, I ate them. So what, bro?
Bro, stop playing with me, bro. Stop playing with me,
Come
bro.
on, bro.
Oh God, bro, you always eating stuff, bro.
Y'all playing around, but you a bitch. You ain't really gonna do shit. You a pussy. That's why I just fucked your bitch and then she blew me.
Wishy gushy on this fissy, call me Lissy.
Hey, I put my dick up in your bitch. She call me Duty.
Yeah, Karate Chopper. I beat her up like Osama bin Laden, cupping the riders.
Hey, I'm robbing and stealing and eating your bitch ass. She gave me some top. I call her bitch pass.
Hold up, he just said he gave that bitch AIDS. Oh, nah, I ain't even gonna start.
Okay. I don't know how that went exactly. I kind of knocked him a couple times. Like,
Yeah.
I ain't gonna flip. We probably got like two, three
good reactions,
One
you
dude
know.
talking about some.
He about to call
Call
it
the
12.
I'm about to
yeah.
report y'all. One girl was
God.
like, "Oh my god, he's getting his ass beat."
She's gonna sit there. She should report it.
And then the rest of them just knew we was YouTubers,
Yeah.
so they kind of knew that
But
we was
yeah,
fake.
it was a lot of them on there that do YouTubers. Crazy.
Don't
But look,
care.
make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
And get your partner to subscribe too.
Yeah, you might as well. I mean,
You
like,
know
so y'all
what
can
I'm
all
saying?
watch us. So
Oh
we
my
keep
God, y'all gotta
dropping
watch us
these.
on the same phone, same tablet, same Android that y'all got going on TV, whatever. Oh, talking about you feel.
Talking about.
Really,
But look,
you know.
boy.
Boy, you know, boy.
Better
Boy,
watch it,
I'm gonna
boy.
watch it, boy.
But don't curse,
For real,
boy.
no cursing, boy.
On
But
God,
y'all
boy.
got a book going on, boy. Baby, boy, we really in this.
All right, y'all.
On gang.